We want the youth to preach peace so that we coexist. There are so many tribes here, and you know Samburu, the way it is volatile. We want to preach peace so that we are going to coexist. And the third one is nurturing talent. We have invited scouts from the academies. We have 2 for soccer, we have 1 for basketball, and 1 for volleyball. They are going to nurture, or they are going to identify good talents.
Ya wakati huu is called Sports for Environmental Conservation. We are dubbing both sporting and conservation of our environment. Gavana wetu leo aliweza kufungua officially na tunatarajia kuwa hapa for the next 4 days. So far we have 69 teams that will comprise so many. I think participants are more than 1,000 because we have 600
in remembrance of all the teams that have participated in this Governor's Cup. So I wish all the teams all the best. The fact remains that the best teams get the best prize.
We are the leading county when it comes to matters conservation. The whole of this county, people have done away with their land. Let me say the communities have donated the land for conservation. And so today we have a lot of wild animals that are interacting with our communities as well as with our livestock, which is our livelihood. And so we are very glad to be here. As you've heard from the Deputy Governor, we have about 69 different teams that have been attracted to come and play this Governor's Cup. It is unique in its own way because it's the first time we are doing this.
Hii tournament imetuleta pamoja decision mbalimbali county nzima, yani Samburu County, Samburu East, Samburu West. Yes.